How to email unsubscribe tutorial. If you found this video useful, consider subscribing to the channel. Okay, so in this guide, I have my Yahoo email, and I'm gonna click the mail icon to access the mail. Now I'm blocking some stuff out for quality purposes only, but basically, if you want to email unsubscribe or unsubscribe from whatever mail that you are currently receiving, in this case it's Yahoo Mail, there's a couple ways to do this. So these icons are these options right here. We have archive the mail, move the mail, delete, spam, or if you click these three dots or icons, we have different options that we have. We have mark as unread, star, block senders, unsubscribe, filter messages, raw message filter, print that. So in this case, we want to unsubscribe, or you can even block the sender, or in this case, we can just click unsubscribe, and then in here it says unsubscribe from this current mail. In this case, it's Yahoo Mail, and I'm not going to unsubscribe, but this is how you can unsubscribe emails. Or if you want, you can click report as spam. I have Gmail pulled up. Let's say we want to go with this email right to. So this is just a partner with the company to do a collab. Assuming as I click on this, and it might look a little bit suspicious. Well, if you want to report this as spam or unsubscribe, you can go under here, the third option, and click delete. Or you can click more and see there's not really anything here. So in this case, you want to click these three icons to the right so you can delete the message, block, report as spam, report as phishing. You choose, but in this case, if you want to block, report as spam, or report phishing, they'll do the same thing and you will no longer receive an email from them. Check out the playlist for more videos like this and subscribe to the channel if you found value.